Guys, in this video you're gonna see how I transferred my college computer lab into a gaming club.
Bro, super ఆడుతున్నావు bro.
It was very hard to make it, but I tried, and let's see what happened in the last. This is Jairam and you're watching MrTechie YouTube channel. Guys, first of all, we need games in the PC. We have two things. One is PC games and another is mobile games. PC games is large in size, so we can't install it in one day. It was huge and we should need graphical cards, all the stuff. So I'm going with mobile games. But how can we play mobile games in the PC? Because they two are different. So for that we have one solution called Emulator. Emulator is a medium, or it's a software which makes the mobile games allowed in the PC. Or you may use any third-party softwares, but make sure you are using safe software. So I'm using BlueStacks. Why? Because top companies like Samsung and Qualcomm are invested in this, so it is legit. There are plenty mobile games inside that emulator. So first of all we should install it. So here, just a second. First of all we install it in my laptop. It's a basic one. So let's do it. Guys, first of all open your Chrome browser and search for BlueStack. After that click on that first website. Now select download. There you go, downloading is completed, and after that completion click on that file. You will get this interface. You want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes. Now install now. Click on that install and agree. It was downloading. Guys, after downloading it you will get this interface. There you can search any game you want. Here I'm searching for Free Fire Max. After opening it you'll get this down. You can see install on app player. Click on that. Your game starts downloading. After downloading it you can play here. It asks some permission, same like mobile ones. Allow it. And guys, one more thing, don't ever sign in your original mobile game account. Okay, if you done that your account will be permanently banned or temporarily banned for some years, so don't do it. Here I gonna play in high settings, graphics on high. Let's play it.
Raju, nice drawing. Picasso. పైథాన్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు వచ్చారని పైథాన్ బ్రో సూపర్గా ఆడుతున్నావు బ్రో. నేను ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు ఇలా ఈ గేమ్.
2 కిలోమీటర్స్
ఎలా కొట్టాడు బ్రో. కమాన్, యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Please like, share, subscribe.